The success story of MMI Indian Province, Second Mission, Our Lady of Good Health Church, Nandambakam, the Diocese of Chengalpattu. By the clemency of the Abba Father, with the generous blessings and guidance of our Father Founder, continuous accompaniment of the Superior General of MMI, constant support of the Society of DMI, encouragement of the Bishop Dr. Nidhinathan, our MMI Indian Province ventured into the Second Mission Center in the Diocese of Chengalpattu in 2009. We take this opportunity to salute all the provincials and priests who laid a brawny foundation for the mind-blowing mission in this place. We would like to share the success history of Our Lady of Good Health Church, Nandambakam, with joy and enthusiasm. In 1992, 6 Catholic families were migrated from different places who had a dream to build their own house at Nandambakam. Unexpectedly, no church was there in these surroundings to fulfill their Sunday obligation. They had to travel 15 kilometers away every Sunday to participate in the Holy Eucharistic banquet. When they wanted to have a church in this area, the Porur church people helped financially to purchase this land. In the meantime, this place came under the jurisdiction of Chengalpattu Diocese by 2003. After that, Bishop created Kundratur Mission. This mission was run by SPD fathers at that time. Even though they had laid foundation for new church in Nandambakam, there was no progress in the construction work. Our achievement starts from here. With the blessings of Almighty, Nandambakam Parish was created in 2009 and handed over to MMI Society. Within few years, our MMI missionaries had built this well-decorated church with the help of so many good-hearted people. Finally, our dream came true on 13th May 2014. Bishop of Chengalpattu blessed and inaugurated the new church. Nandambakam Parish has 2 substations: Infant Jesus Church, Periya Colony, Our Lady of Perpetual Help, Saktinagar. Few initiatives which takes us to the peak of success are mentioned below. Our MMI missionaries go door to door to bring the Catholics back to the Mother Church. As a result, we have more than 300 Catholic families right now. Periya Colony was the substation of Dargast Parish. The priests present there were unable to handle that additional responsibility. We are happy to inform you that when our MMI missionaries came to know about this, they approached the parish priest and diocese to declare Periya Colony substation to come under Nandambakam Parish. Successfully, it was handed over to us. We had to get ahead through lot of struggles in buying the substation lands. Church lands of our substations, Periya Colony and Saktinagar, were owned by private people. After long struggle, Father Kingsley MMI took continuous effort and registered the land in the church name. New church buildings. We genuinely thank our Father Founder, Superior General of MMI, Father William the Provincial, DFT, Father Kingsley, the former parish priest, Kamarajapuram and Pammal parish people, Mr. Kennedy and Peter, for the founders' family members, namely Mr. Ignatius Xavier and Devadas, Miss Menendez and her family, Mr. Rajkumar and Jesse, and MMI Scholastique for their generous contributions. Pastoral work. We go regularly to house visit and NBM meetings to motivate the faithful spiritually and to ensure unity among them. We conduct Bible quiz regularly to help people to read and to taste the Word of God and to enhance their biblical knowledge. Disaster relief works. At the time of the flood, many people lost their belongings. We extend our helpful hands to the needy people and to the poor in their agony and help them in all the possible ways. At the time of Corona pandemic, due to continuous lockdown, people have lost their livelihood. We support them by providing basic needs and provisions. MMI Evening Tuition Centers. We have evening tuition centers at 2 different locations, in which more than 80 students are coming regularly. English grammar, good mannerism, motivation classes are taught by our MMI fathers and staff members. In this time, we also acknowledge and thank DFT and St. Joseph's School, Punamalli, for their support to our tuition centers. We had 40 days preparation to celebrate our parish feast. This year, we carried Our Lady of Good Health statue to all the NBMs. People participated with a lot of devotion. To give different experience and faith to the people, we encourage the lay preachers and charismatic preachers to conduct praise and worship meeting once in a month. In this moment, we wholeheartedly realized that once upon a time, there was no church in the area, and people traveled for 15 kilometers to participate in the Mass. Now, God has blessed them with 3 beautiful churches, every week more than 14 Masses, including both substations. Other than that, every first Saturday, special Mass has been conducted for Mother Mary with a car procession and novena. We thank God for giving us the opportunity to work for this mission, because we are able to render our service for the downtrodden people. We are really grateful to our Father Founder, Superior General and Indian Provincial Father Kingsley for their prayer, support and encouragement. We greet you all to our parish, Our Lady of Good Health, Nandambakkum, to receive the blessings of our Mother Mary. Thank you very much.